Let's have a look at how to download Oracle SQL Developer. From the main website of oracle.com, you sign in to your account, then click on Downloads. From this page, you click on Developer Tools, and here you can see a list of many developer tools. Click on SQL Developer, and this page will open. You need to accept license agreement and choose your preferred version to download. Since our machine is 64-bit Windows, so it will be easy for us to choose this distribution. You can read installation notes here. Okay, let's check installation notes. Okay. Here are instructions for both Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit types of Windows. Here is a word of caution. You can take a look at it more closely. It says no, the Windows exe requires a msecr100.dll to run. Most computers will already have this file and in Windows path and in the Windows path. However, if the first copy of the file found by the exe is a 32-bit copy of the DLL, then SQL Developer will fail to start. You can fix this by copying a 64-bit version of the DLL into the bin directory or updating your UF path, such as 64-bit copy of the DLL is found first. So here's a word of caution. And in the second version, there's also a note for the second version. If SQL Developer cannot find Java on your machine, it will prompt you for the path for a JDK home. This only occurs the first time you launch SQL Developer. So if you double click on the executable file and it asks you the path, it will only occur for the first time. So you should be able to provide a valid Java home on Windows. It will be similar to this path. Normally it will reside in program files. Okay. Accept the license agreement. And click on download. Its size is 401 MB, so it's a big file. You can go and relax and have a cup of coffee while it's downloading. Okay. Since this is a zip file, you have to extract its contents. After extraction process is complete, you can open this folder, and now you can double click on the executable file. Here it is. This is an application file, SQL Developer. Double click it, run, and here it goes. Here we are. So our SQL Developer installation is complete, and you can connect to the database. Now we have already installed Oracle database, and in the next videos we'll see how to connect to the database we have already installed. That's it for now. Thank you. Goodbye.